Applying a category to a course. Once you have your category set up by adding a category, we can jump into a course and add those categories to the courses. Let's jump into courses and down to Marketing Made Easy. I'm going to go across to course details, and down where it says category, I'm going to select the correct category. You'll notice that all categories set up will appear as a drop down. We're going to set marketing. We can easily delete this out again by clicking on the X and choosing another category, or even choosing multiple categories for this course to appear in. We're going to leave it on marketing and click update. Now this course has been added to the category marketing. If I go back to my courses and I go back to category, you're going to notice now that if I go to this URL marketing, this course will appear inside this category. There we are. However, if I choose this one, which has no courses, there will be nothing to show inside that category. No courses to list. This is how you can apply the categories to the courses.